Alright, so I'm working on the S13 Coupe today. I got the 5-lug hubs here, so I'm going to swap those on, and then I'm going to tie up some other things. I pulled my G35 wheels off of one of the G35s that I'm parting out, so I'm going to grab those and put them on the back, and it should look pretty good with the 17s on them. I think they're the 17 by 8.5s because they're the rear staggered ones, so should look good.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I don't know if you guys are ready for it or not, but I'm going to show you. All done. Had to go with the old flaky paint job. I like it. Looks pretty good. They wanted to charge me $100 for a jar of flake at the auto body store, and the dude recommended I go to Joann's instead. So I think that was the right decision. This looks awesome. It kind of looks green on the camera, but trust, there's no green in there. It's all blue and gold.
I think it's because of the tone of the blue.
But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm really excited about that. It was supposed to just be black, but looks a whole lot better than that now. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. So as you saw, I got the engine bay in the other S13 completely painted. I got three coats of clear on there, so that should be good to cure overnight and over the next couple days. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but the blue that I painted this engine bay, that you guys have seen how nice it is during the day, I'm going to be painting the coupe, the whole thing, that color. So, you know, the S13 hatch and then the coupe will be opposites. So as you saw, we painted the engine bay black and we put some sparkles in it, and then the outside of the car is going to be blue. You know, the outside of this car is black and the engine bay is blue. So they're going to be pretty cool little twins there, opposite though. So thank you guys for watching. That's going to be the end of the video, of course. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.